Portable biography. Portable was born on 12 March 1994 in Abeokuta, Ogun State, Nigeria. He gained mainstream attention after the single Zazuze. Where he featured Olamide and Pokoli. He publicly accused Kogbagidi, a business partner on social media, of allegedly scamming in a deal involving artist management. Portable's first song, The Loneliness of the Long, was released on August 19, 2016. Portable was known as Owozoni, Ika of Africa, Were Olorin. Portable has 5 children from different women, including a son with Nollywood actress Akinyaju Omobolarinde. Portable was arrested by the Ogun State Police Command after he failed to comply with a 72-hour ultimatum to surrender himself in connection with an alleged assault. As per a police invitation in the early hours of Monday, 3 April 2023, Portable was charged in the Ifo High Court in Ogun State. Portable also declared wanted on February 2025. After alleged assault on government officials. These are music songs by Portable. 2019, Pay Me My Money. 2020, Emma Joke Dada. In 2021, Zazuze remix featuring Olamide and Pokoli in 2021. Ogo Forever in 2022. Neighbor featuring Small Doctor 2022. All Eyes on Me featuring Barry J. Oraje featuring Orisafemi in 2022. Clear in 2022. Expensive OG in 2022, Money Before You Love in 2022, Gberatan, Odogu Bita, Buy to Sapa Nation, Azamai, Wama Binu in 2022, Testimony in 2023, Brabos B in 2023, Ogbavia featuring Terry G, Tony Montana featuring Skepta in 2024, Osuma Grammy in 2024, Brotherhood in 2024, My Way No Be Your War 2024, My Country 2024, Top Chart 2024, Dabira in 2024, Stubborn in 2024, Dodondawa in 2024, Ganusi in 2025. Thank you for watching Eya Yoruba World TV. Aduagba Oluwatoyin. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.